DLLE, Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, has its main objective to develop among students a sense of responsibility towards society and enhance employability skills. DLLE mainly comprises of four main programs: APY, Annapurni Yojana, SWS, Status of Women in Society, PEC, Population Education Club, and Career Project. So, here is a short video on pollution and measures we can take to overcome it. The positive approach towards industrialization has led to the negative impact of pollutants on the environment. Due to these harmful pollutants, nature and its biodiversity has suffered a lot. Over the years, mankind and its thirst to create more and more technical electronic items for a better and a luxurious life has led to the progress in all fields, resulting to a luxurious and peaceful life. But the destruction caused by the pollutants and non biodegradable waste in the environment has led to a major damage on nature's resources and also its biodiversity. Pollution is the introduction to harmful pollutants in the environment. These pollutants, being non biodegradable, become the cause of pollution. Pollution is a global problem. Although the urban areas are more polluted than the countryside, pollution can spread to remote areas where no lives exist. For example, in the middle of the northern Pacific Ocean, a huge collection of microscopic plastic particles form, what is known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Pollution is also affecting and is also a prime cause of change in climate. Calamities and natural disaster cause a great damage both to human lives and also to the biodiversity. Pollution also leads to various diseases which affect the living of all animals and as well as humans. Pollution, therefore, is also classed as point source or non point source pollution. In a case study conducted in 2015, it is seen pollution killed over 9 million people worldwide. Major forms of pollution include air pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, solid waste pollution, plastic pollution, visual pollution, water pollution, etc.
Noise pollution. Noise pollution means any unwanted or excessive sounds that can have deleterious effects on human health and environmental quality. Noise pollution, also known as environmental noise, is commonly generated inside many industrial facilities and some other workplaces, but it also comes from highway, railway, and airplane traffic and from outdoor construction activities. Noise pollution or sound pollution is the propagation of noise with harmful impact on the activity of human or animal life. The source of outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines, transports, and propagation system. Unwanted sound can damage psychological health. Noise pollution can cause hypertension, high stress level, hearing loss, sleep disturbance, and other harmful and disturbing effects. Noise is disturbing or unwanted sound, and noise pollution affects people's health and quality of life. Noise often affects children more than adults. We can reduce noise pollution by turning off appliances when not in use of earplugs, lowering the volume, planting more trees, regular maintenance of vehicles and machines, etc. By controlling noise, we can control negative health effects that noise pollution has on everyone.
Noise pollution. This is one of the reasons to disturb our ecosystem. I think this is the alarming stage for us to take an action on it, as we are using various things in our festivals to make it attractive, luxurious, and joyful. But these things are turning into elimination of our beautiful nature. Not only with this festival or occasional things like playing music on big speakers, but even a single car's horn can make us disturb and our environment too. So let's decide that we will not honk unless it's honk the horn unless it is necessary to us. Let's try to control take some efforts to control noise pollution and try to say no to noise pollution.
Today, I would like to deliver a speech on air pollution, which has become a major challenge in recent time. Air pollution means mixing of external hazardous gases and particulate matter in the air, which ultimately roots inside our body through inhalation. This gradually leads to respiratory disorder and hence affect the health of human beings. Hence, nowadays, air pollution is becoming a major concern for humanity. Causes of air pollution. There could be various causes of air pollution in today's world. The world is developing at the cost of environment. Today's society, in view of modernization, is neglecting the Mother Earth and thereby adopting the lifestyle which ultimately costs us on our health. The number of vehicles on road has increased tremendously in the past few decades, hence the emission level has also gone up. This can be very well known by the increase in ppm level. The example is pollution level in Delhi is an alarming situation for all of us. Also, the smokes coming out of factories or the poisonous gases coming out of chemical factories are polluting the air. We have seen a major tragedy of air pollution in the form of Bhopal gas tragedy. The increase in usage of air condition in home also causes the air pollution. Effect of air pollution. Also, the different dangerous gases and smoke when enters the pregnant lady causes the unborn child to come in contact with it before taking the birth. These children tends to have a high possibility of respiratory disease as compared to other children.
So, what are the solutions to overcome the plastic pollution? So, I started with the solution. To save our environment and biodiversity, we should stop using a plastic bag. We should start using eco-friendly materials such as a cloth and paper bags. Government must take strict action against using a plastic bag. Students should also come forward to spread the awareness and effect of plastic pollution in our environment. Each one of us should come forward to stop the use of plastic to save our planet. So plastic is a helpful hand, but they are the polluting our land. So think green, go green. Thank you so much.